foot ice there. Holy macaroni.
That's the deepest ice we've ever seen on day one of fishing.
That's nuts.
Yeah.
I almost needed the extension there.
I know. Okay guys, I think I might have a fish on. Maybe not. Okay guys, I got something biting my line here. I hope I kept it on this time. Yep, I did. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that's a pretty good fish. Nice walleye.
Wow.
So guys, we haven't done our welcome back to the ice tent yet.
No, it's been a show.
A shite show. Yes. We brought the big buddy and we brought the diesel heater, and neither one of them wants to stay on for us. So
the big buddy, it's the cable. I guess there's a plastic ring around it that just with the cold snapped off, so it won't make the seal against the tank.
Yeah, and it's not like we can go anywhere because it's January 1st. We can't get anything.
No, and then the diesel heater
is not wanting to heat. It doesn't even want to stay on. Extinguished. But on the bright side, I've already got one fish out of the hole. So hopefully we'll get a second here. So basically what we're trying to say is we don't know if this is going to be a nighttime thing or just out for a few hours. We've been out for a while now. What time is it? It's 10 after 6. And we've been out here since, well, we left the house at about 1:30, just after lunch. So, yeah, hopefully the evening will turn around a little. Or at least I got a nice size walleye, 41 incher.
41 centimeters.
Sorry, centimeters.
41 incher, that'd be a world record.
Yeah. We can't stay if it's going to be this cold tonight. No heat.
No, it sucks.
It is far warmer in the tent though than it is outside. It's so cold in here, the
lines are freezing.
The line is freezing up again. Got me another bite, guys. Didn't stay on that time.
Well, hopefully this diesel heater lasts here. This is New Year's Day, so it's whatever I had left in the fridge. So I got a couple of shanks. I got to get them nice and browned up, and we're going to cook a bit of a stew there.
Yeah, hopefully that'll help warm us up.
Yeah, so I guess this is not going to work so great either, but this freezing in here.
That is also true.
These take a while too, so see what happens.
Make the best of the evening.
Got potatoes and
Potatoes, peppers, onions, garlic.
now I'm smelling that again.
Oh, me too. Peek out the window to see if it's just in our heads. Oh, I don't think it is.
Heads.
Darn it. Yep, there's a cloud, eh? Oh, guys, we might be packing her up here. This was not what we intended. Well, guys, let's check her out and see if all our gear's still in here from last night. We didn't leave very much behind. Just a few things. Oh yeah, right where we left it. Are frozen over good.
Well, we're back out here again. I fixed the problem with the propane heater this morning, and there's actually a company that reached out to us wanting us to do a showcase of their product, and this is called TITech or TITech. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Anyway, this one is actually designed to fit on a big buddy. So those that used a big buddy, yes, there is a fan in there. It takes batteries and they're forever going dead. These make a lot of difference for moving the air around in your tent. So we're going to try this one out today. This is brand new.
Haven't even opened it yet.
Haven't opened it. From what I've seen online, good reviews. So hopefully it wasn't damaged in shipping. So what makes this one a little different is it's got a base station. So this clips on to your big buddy. I'll have to read the instructions here. I think it goes on like that. And then your fan goes on top of that. So, yes, I know I'm a male and I'm about to read instructions. So, goes on just like that. Well, shows the second one. Okay. So
yep.
Let's see if the fan will fit here now.
Gotta look at the fan before you. Okay. There you go. It's just your little handle that's tapping.
Yeah, I'm just making sure it's
good to go. All
right. So this goes into here like this, and then with the induction, that'll start spinning. I can see it puffing.
I see it. Yep.
You hold this down, guys, for a little bit here, especially when it's really cold. It needs to
ignite.
Well, there's a little heat sensor there that'll open up the valve. Just take your time with it. There you go. Now it'll go on low.
Pretty cool.
It's already spinning.
So guys, we got the yo-yo camera on and we can see that there's a fish there looking at my line. Not sure what it is. Can you tell, Rob?
Looks like a perch. Pull it up a bit, Jen. Just.
You think it's a perch? Yeah, that's great. He's just sitting there on the bottom of the... Not sure if he wants to take my lure or not. Oh no, it's fairly big. Look at him. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I like this new camera. It's not even showing up on the Garmin.
God.
What?
Not very big, are they?
The minnows are terrible. He's thinking about it still. It's there for a long time. It really makes their eyes glow. Oh, he touched it. He didn't grab on though. I could feel him nudge. Oh, now he's going towards you, I think.
Fish of the day.
What is that? Is that a baby walleye?
Baby walleye. Hey, you look. Spit it out.
I wonder if he's the one that's been haunting us for the last few hours.
You can have that.
Yeah, he can have that one. Bye-bye, little guy. Wow. So guys, we've been here for a little while, had some crackers and cheese for a snack, and we're going on 4 o'clock. We're just having the fish come back around. Making its debut in our camera again. Bumping the lines, but other than Rob's minnow fish, we haven't had much luck yet.
It wasn't a minnow fish. It's a walleye.
EB walleye.
He's bumping
He is bumping it.
it. He's got it now.
Does he?
Yep. Pull.
Yeah, it's not very big. Oh! Yeah, there he goes. Hopefully we're not in the land of the...
You caught a big one last night.
I did. Are you kicking it up or is he?
Oh, he is.
Yeah. You're on?
Yep.
Nice.
Oh,
Yeah,
not
keep
very
going.
big.
He's not big?
Is that?
Oh, he's not too bad. All right.
Oh,
Still got his hook in there. You gonna measure him?
yep. I don't think
I
so.
don't think so, but we'll pinch his tail. Almost, eh?
30, 39, 39.
He's going home, guys.
1
He's
inch away.
going home.
1 inch. 1 centimeter away. So, tell you what happened last night. So, 2 things. The propane connector goes on the tank. There's a little plastic, like nut, if you will. In the inside part, there's another little plastic collar, and it just disintegrated out in that -20 weather. And then the diesel heater, I've diagnosed that this morning. There's an intake filter, and it was clogged, so it wasn't getting enough air, and that's why it was sooting. So it's been great today, that diesel heater again. So it's nice and comfortable in here again. It's nice when it's nice in here.
Toasty.
Gonna add a little bit of peanut oil. And then we're gonna put on some beef shanks. I'm gonna season them up, and we're gonna get them nice and browned here. Little smallest tongues.
Oh, I gotta tighten my drag, man.
You're getting the camera too.
How's that possible? Is it tangled right around it, maybe? Yeah, must be. You're gonna have to probably reach down. I'll try to hold tight on this. Oh, no problem. Busted my line. That's a keeper table, I'm sure of it. Okay.
What a calamity.
Okay. Can you pinch him?
41 and a half.
Yoo-hoo! Keeper!
Almost 42.
Nice. How's it looking? Looks good.
Okay, gonna add some poultry. Gonna add a little bit of flour. No chicken stock. Get that roux all incorporated in there.
Make it nice and thick.
You run out of heat again, dear?
Did I run out of heat? No?
Okay. Just gonna let that brown up a bit. So I'm just gonna cut up a couple onions here now. Cut them kind of big because you're gonna be stewing them, right?
Mm-hmm.
They're brown up nicely.
Mm-hmm.
It's Canadian garlic too. Ontario garlic, best garlic in the world.
So much richer taste, eh? More strong.
Yep. All right, now that that's all browned, I'm going to throw some water in now. We'll let this go for a couple hours.
That's a liter.
That's a little bit, it'll boil down.
Yeah. Looking good.
Yeah, it'll get nice and tender too. It just needs
time. Perfect. Let this stew up.
Not sure if I'm throwing this on yet.
Ooh. Smelling pretty good, no? Oh, it's coming apart. It's almost ready for some potatoes. You're just going to throw them in?
Oh, God.
Bucket's open, eh?
Bucket's already open. So these will probably take about half an hour in there.
Mm-hmm.
See what that potato starch does to it, and I might add a little bit of fish crisp just in case it's not thick enough. Just about 10 minutes before, we put a bell pepper in there for veg, and that'll be it.
Mm-hmm. Finally got the bugger.
That's a good sized perch, that is.
Nice.
You keep them?
Yes.
So the stew is missing something. Oh yeah, black garlic. A little pinch of that. Potatoes aren't quite there yet, but
Coming along, eh? Smells so good.
checking for seasoning. Ooh, hot. I'm gonna leave that alone. It's pretty good.
Good there?
It's good there.
Oh, no! It's a perch! Woohoo!
See what kind of mad skill I had when you have to touch the fishing rod.
Oh!
Let you fall back in the hole.
You want to keep it?
I'll keep that. We'll do a fish fry tomorrow.
Okay. We might have to have a fish fry because we're catching little fishies. All right. Another one from my pile. Number 3. Look at that, eh?
Oh my God, that's
It's hot down there. Beef's falling right apart. So we forgot to bring bowls, so we're gonna use pots for dinner.
Veg in sauce. Not very successful with getting some veg here.
Fishing for veg. That's delicious.
That's good for me.
Cheers. It's hot, eh?
Yep.
All right. Very good.
Very rich.
It is. It's very delicious. We're both starving. That beef is really good, eh?
Mm-hmm. Well, this is hitting the spot.
Mm-hmm. Fish on! Oh yeah, nice. Another nice walleye. Oh. We're making our bed, and I got another wally. Oi, oi, oi. Stay there, buddy. Tail at the end here. Oh, he is freaking close. Good?
Yep.
All right, he's going back in the hole, guys, for another day. Bye, goody, buddy. Go down there. Yep, there he goes. Woo! Look at the jumbo perch! Nice! Another one just before bed. Bite is on, Robert.
Oh, lovely.
We're all ready with our face masks and what do you call those? Balaclavas? Yours is a balaclava, mine isn't.
Yeah.
But we're all ready for bed. It's just after 11. I just pulled in another fish. A nice big perch. Bigger one of the night. So.
Yeah, so it's minus 16 now. It's going down to minus 24.
Mm-hmm.
I got the heaters turned down pretty low. I'm not sure if the diesel heater will make it with the battery, but
Here's to hoping.
yeah. Hence the reason why I got this thing on my head.
Yeah, so we're gonna hit the hay, and I got the bell on the fishing line, so if that goes off, we'll hear it.
Unfortunately.
Yep. Okay, good night, guys.
All right.
See you when the fishies hit. Good night.
Good night.
Fish on, guys. What time we got? Whoa. Another tiny little walleye. Oh, poor guy. No, you can leave that with me, and you can go back in the water. All gone. Got one on. Let's get him out of the hole. Another little walleye. He's gonna go back. Turn around, buddy. There you are. There you go. All right, bye, guys. He's going back. He's too small. Whew. We got a chilly -20 this morning. And all the skidoos are coming back out. And four-wheelers. Huge market. It's not doing anything though. You got her? Oh, you're gonna bite too. Almost entangled on you. Oh yeah. Ooh, what you got there?
Is that a whitefish or is that a
I think that's a Cisco, isn't it?
Cisco?
There's my gloves there if you need it.
God, how small are your hands?
Small. Show the camera. Oh, what's wrong?
I don't know what that is. I was trying to smell it, see if it smelled like herring. Is that a whitefish or a Cisco?
I think that's a Cisco. Where's my gloves?
Where's your gloves?
Yeah, I don't want them going in my hole.
No wonder the guys don't make memes of you. Wondering how you get a fishing wife? Right here. Sexy bitch.